morning, everybody. Welcome to the Magic Kingdom. What a great day in Florida. It's been overcast, so we're going to have an awesome day inside with the sun killing us. We got reservations for BR guests, so we can't wait to get inside. We just got off the monorail, so we're going to head through and have a wonderful day. People taking pictures this morning. They all absolutely love being here. Us too. So that's why we're gonna go back and have our reservation. Be our guest. I'm not sure if we actually get to meet anybody at this one.
No, we don't.
No? We don't get to meet anyone?
No. We just get to eat in the castle.
Yeah, so I think we walk straight through, slightly around back. Not sure. We'll figure this out now. I think Heather got a map. She got the front gate. Signs. We love signs. We love signs? So Adventureland Caribbean Plaza. Looks like they route you this way. And then you'll have another sign pointing you not actually to Adventureland, but to, I guess it's USA? Morning! Ooh, this is gonna be special.
Oh, it is gonna be special. I'm excited for it.
It's just as cool being in the park all alone here. It's almost worth whatever they charge for breakfast just to be in here for a second with no one else. It is absolutely the price of breakfast.
It'll be fun. It's cheaper than yesterday's breakfast.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Because there's no characters?
No characters, so it's cheaper.
Another good tip. I almost actually just want to stay here by Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. That's our plan.
Yeah, that's our plan.
See if it works. Oh, there's people on it already.
I am an enchanted suit of armor. How should I be?
That would be for me.
Yeah,
Thank you.
You're welcome. And then lastly, I have some pastries for you guys.
Okay, perfect.
If you run out, let us know. We'll bring some more for you.
Okay, thank you. So how was it?
Well, breakfast at Be Our Guest. 25 bucks each for adults, and gotta say, not my favorite breakfast. There's nothing wrong with the breakfast itself, maybe a little cold. And again, it was just, you know, some hash browns, bacon, sausage for 25 bucks. It was nice to get into the park early. It was an experience once. The dining room and everything was really cool.
I had the croque madame. So it was like a toast and ham on top, then a fried egg, and then there was this creamy cheesy sauce on top. And it was delicious. It was a little bit cold coming out, so that was a little bit disappointing. It would have been nicer if it was hot. But other than that, I thought it was a great breakfast. It was a really great atmosphere, and I personally thought it was a fantastic way to begin the day.
And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Spirits are frightfully sensitive to the right price.
slave-traded places for Wednesday. Hunter! Come bounce with me. Bounce will make you feel just great, doesn't it? I love it.
Hooray for Pooh, too!
That's not the way we all make houses.
Yeah, sure she does. What about these big Winnie? So precious. Rain, and now I guess we waited for, I don't know, an hour and 10 minutes for Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. You can do child swap. Please note you will have to show the attendant before you get in line that you actually have a child. It doesn't take too long once you actually get there. But of course getting there is the hard part. I think 70 minutes for me and maybe 5 minutes with a fast pass for you.
Yep.
Maximum. I absolutely loved it, especially if you're into the Seven Dwarfs. The theming is really cool. The barrels and the games inside are a good way to distract kids, even me. Hopefully I'll get to do it again later in the day when the wait times are a little less. But for now, we need to take a quick break and we're going to eat at
Plaza Restaurant.
Yeah, at the Plaza. So we'll see what this is like.
I'm actually really excited for this.
And what do we have?
Chocolate cheeseburger, so it should be very good.
And a drink.
Oh, we're gonna have some milkshakes. I'm getting the strawberry and Ryan's getting the vanilla. It should be good.
Yeah, the vanilla is going to be way better.
Try it.
Grain free is on the way. Tastes absolutely delicious.
Love it.
Love it. Waiting for a good milkshake since we got here. This is it. Yeah. That's what we got. Very good.
Yeah, very good. Delicious. Look at that. It's awesome.
I know it's all you can like drink milkshake. Well, by the
Two
time you
was enough.
yeah. Now it's Dumbo. A mixture, Mommy says, of home video. Yeah, we're gonna have some fun, Madeline.
Yeah, Madeline.
Yeah.
Going to Dumbo.
All right, Dumbo. Okay.
To make Dumbo fly higher, just raise the magic lever right in front of you. Everybody ready? Then get ready to take off with the world's only flying elephant, Dumbo!